masks are required for this panel.
Ooh, it's hot.
If you don't want to wear a mask, you can get out. Masks are required for this panel. We have extra masks up here. If you don't have a mask, then please leave. And please try not to mess with the tripod. Hey guys, so we are paneling. We have set up, so. Reminder, masks are required. You do not have one. Masks right up here.
Just a reminder, masks are required for this panel. If you don't have one, we have a box up here that you can grab one from.
I have one in my pocket.
So, just a reminder, masks are required. This is, I'm sorry for the people who came early, but we're going to just keep saying that.
Just a reminder for those of you who are new, masks are required for this panel. If you don't have one, we have a box up front. Otherwise, we would like to ask you to leave very nicely.
Careful.
Bakugo will not be as nice.
Bakugo will force you out.
Oh my god, it's hot in here.
Ooh.
For those of you who are new, masks are required for this panel. If you do not have one, we have a box up front that you can grab one from.
You don't need to pass the time.
Masks are required for this panel. If you don't have one, there's a box up here.
Might as well grab one, Ben. I already have one.
Masks are required for this panel. If you do not have one, we have a box up front you can grab one from.
I have one. It's in my pocket.
Great. What? We'll let you know we are recording the panel, and
We also are live streaming the panel, so that's what
we will also see about maybe doing pictures.
this beautiful thing is for.
What about autographs?
Maybe at the end.
I'm not talking to you. They want my autograph. Oh, sure about it.
Sorry.
For those of you who are new, we do require masks for this panel. If you do not have one, we have a box up front that you can grab from.
And we will be monitoring for your masks. So,
For those of you who are new, we do require masks for this panel. If you do not have one, we have a box up front you can grab from. Right up there on the table.
free masks.
Love masks here. Come on.
Well, we're following the crowd.
Alright.
For those of you who are new, we do require masks for this panel. If you do not have a mask, we have a box up here on the table. We will be doing our best to watch for them, and you will be asked to leave if you do not wear one.
Seems a bit stuffy in here.
For those of you who are new, we do require masks for this panel. If you do not have a mask, we have a box up front that you can grab from.
Please be careful of the tripod as well.
Oh. Knock down the tripod.
No, make
We're sorry.
For those of you who are new, we do require masks for this panel. If you do not have a mask, we have a box up not aware of, we will ask you politely to leave. If you do not leave, Bakugou is here.
Bakugou will not so politely kick you out.
Escort.
Doesn't look like it. We're good. You want to close the door then? Yeah, shut the door. Just, even if you wanted to.
Are you guys all right with standing in the back there? Are you good?
Okay, all right.
I mean, we're cool with it as long as you're good.
Okay, all right. Perfect.
There's a lot of you.
There is.
I don't know how I feel about it.
All right. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for coming. As you all may or may not know from our description, we're currently on house arrest again. And because of that, Mr. Aizawa said if we did another panel thing, like, I guess this, he'll try and take some time off. I highly doubt it. But, anyway, for those of you who don't know us, I am Shoto Todoroki.
I'm Izuku Midoriya.
Name's Katsuki Bakugou, but y'all already knew that.
And before we get started, we would like to go over just a few rules and a little bit about how our panel is going to work. First of all, as I mentioned multiple times, but I'm just going to say one last time, we do require masks for this panel. Please keep them on for the entirety of the panel. We would really appreciate that. Secondly, this is a PG-13 panel. Please keep it that way. We want to have fun and we want to include everyone that we can. Along with that, just a reminder, we are all actual people under the cosplay. We have the right to refuse any dare or question we may or may not feel uncomfortable with.
We have masks up here.
Yeah, we have a few up here if you want.
There's no more seats. You have to sit
Next, we would like to please ask that you keep spoilers for Season 5 to a minimum. We know that it's just now coming out and not everyone may have seen it or knows everything that's going on, and we don't want to ruin that for anyone. Lastly, we would like to ask that there is no ship bashing. We are willing and open to any and all ship questions or dares, but we ask that you all please stay nice to one another. We are happy to oblige, but if things turn nasty, we will have to, stop that. We've had some people who aren't as nice. And we thought we'd start, first of all, with a little bit of truth or dare. Feel free to just raise your hands. We will be going down the row and calling on you. And yeah, I think that's everything.
And if you're wondering why we're like this, it's because we made a bet. Who would get house arrest first? And we all lost. We got it at the same time. So I dared Todoroki to put on the panniers, and you know what to do.
And that one over there has to be a girl for a day. I found someone with a quirk, and apparently if you pay them enough money, they'll hit whoever you want. So that's going on now.
Did you use Endeavor's credit card again?
Absolutely.
Deku has to wear this getup, so yeah.
That'll be going on for the rest of the panel, and then hopefully we can take it off. All right, feel free to raise your hands, and we will be doing our best to get to everyone. All right, right back there with the red hair.
Bakugo, I dare you to give the other two at least 2 compliments. Nice compliments.
All right, Bakugo, you have now been dared to compliment us each twice. Let's see what you can do.
Deku, you haven't broken all your bones. That bad?
That's ironic considering I'm injured.
True. A second compliment, you have green eyes.
Is that a compliment?
Yes.
I think it's a statement.
You guys don't need anything for your panel, right? You're all good?
Nope, all good.
Oh, well, that was an interruption. I guess I don't got to do the rest, right?
No, I don't think that's how that works.
Todoroki, you know, your power's all right, even though I'm going to beat you, already beat you, but we have to have a fair fight. Oh, y'all can't hear me, can you? No. I have a microphone. Can you hear me? In the back. Yeah.
Whose good idea was it to give Katron a microphone?
You're going to rep this. Okay, and the second compliment being, you're all right for who your dad is.
I'll take it. I'll take that.
Alright. Little kid in my girl shirt.
I dare Todoroki to say something nice about Endeavor.
I have just been dared to say something nice about my father. He can burn. That is a thing he can in fact do. That's all you're getting. Please don't insult the audience member you call on.
Let's see, I see a gloved hand right here. Yep.
I dare you, if you can, pick up Deku, but if you can't do that, just give him a hug.
Which one of us is supposed to pick up Deku?
Bakugo, sorry.
Bakugo. Bakugo has to do that.
Why do you do this?
No. Anyway, moving on.
Okay, that was brief. I see a hand that is in the middle by the aisle. That is what, yes, that one. Deku, you need to say one bad thing about All Might.
I mean, his skinny form is pretty weak.
Yeah, he's also kind of irresponsible.
Don't say that.
Okay, I totally take it back.
Araraka.
Oh, who's your, Deku, who is your least favorite classmate?
Mineta.
I see a hand right here in front. Yep.
No, I'm just
Say it again.
Do you like Kirishima or any other members of your squad?
Do I like Kirishima or any other members of my squad?
Yes.
I mean, Kirishima's alright. The other ones, I don't remember their names for real. But yeah.
Alright, Ketra. Little girl under there, could you pull your mask up?
Thank you. Alright, I see there's a new gloved hand that is with a bracelet thing. Yes. Cool. What is yours?
I got a question for Deku. How do you cope with the pain of breaking your arms during a battle?
Deku, how do you cope with the pain of breaking your arms during battle? I wonder that too.
Well, I've got so used to it that it doesn't really affect me anymore.
I'm mildly concerned by that answer, but also mood. Did I use that right? Okay, cool. I learned that one recently.
Deku, all the way in the back.
Katron, I dare you to actually be nice to Deku for once.
Be nice to who?
Deku.
Deku. Get away from me, you nerd. Okay, it was a dare. I don't back down from dares.
I got a headband!
That was it.
That didn't look forced at all.
More. Right there.
I'm sorry, I forgot my question.
It's okay.
We'll come back to you.
It's fine. Let's see. Right here.
Deku, I dare you to give 2 insults each to Bakugo and Todoroki. They can't sound nice whatsoever.
But that's mean.
Exactly.
Deku, it's a dare. You have to give 2 insults to each of us.
Hotshot? I guess you can be a little passive-aggressive.
Me, passive aggressive.
Or purely aggressive.
Yeah.
You have major daddy issues.
That's fair. That's fair.
And mommy issues.
Yeah. Let's not mention that one. All right. There appears to be someone with 2 hands in the air.
Oh yeah.
Hey, my question is for Bakugou. How do you take pain in your back from holding up this entire series for 5 straight seasons?
How do I take my back from holding up this entire series? Let me tell you something, alright? You wanna go, like, get a massage twice a week, okay? Why? You miss one?
Someone of your stature deserves at least 5 8 weeks.
Last time I checked, Bakugou, you weren't the main character.
There's a main character?
Don't worry about that.
Kakagure. Like the yes.
I'm Bakugou. I'm going to eat a hug Deku or Todoroki for 10 seconds.
Hug Deku or Todoroki for 10 seconds? I'd rather die. Alright. Let's just... Oh!
Bakugou, have you ever hugged anyone before?
Okay. Alright.
That wasn't 10, Mississippi.
Deku in the back.
This is for Deku. I dare you to roast Bakugou.
It's a trap. She's going to do it.
Do it.
Roast Bakugou.
I'm not gonna do that because I think it would cost me my life.
I have fire. I can help.
You wanna go?
Is that not what we're talking about?
You guys can have at it. Don't get me involved.
Later. I won last time, so he needs a rematch.
What?
Moving on before that happens. Yes, back again.
Can you do the knee again?
Me?
Yeah.
Nico. I don't know quite what that is. This one just told me that I had to do it.
Okay, so it appears that another person has 2 hands up.
This is one for Deku. Which villain would you kill?
Killing is a strong word. Let's just say putting in prison. And that would probably be either All For One or Shigaraki.
What about Overhaul?
He's kind of already in prison.
I also forgot to mention this at the beginning of the panel, but we do ask if you've already asked something, please don't put your hands back up. We'll let you know when you can ask another one because we do want to try to get to as many people as possible. Thank you. Bakugou, stop playing with the octopus.
Shut up. It's my mood. I see a hand in the back. Red shirt. Yeah.
Each one of you say something nice about my Prince Mineta.
Each one of us say something nice about Mineta.
No, it's Prince Mineta. Prince Mineta.
I don't know what that other word was. I happen to have selective hearing. He has a quirk that is somewhat useful.
I concur.
I wouldn't throw these pom-poms at him. It'd be something heavier.
I hope that was helpful. All right. Oh, my turn. I forgot. Yes, by the wall right there with the pink. Yes, you.
This is for Midoriya. I dare you to pat Bakugou on the head without Bakugou, like, exploding you.
All right. Pat Bakugou Deku without him exploding you.
You touch me, you die. You die.
Why did I let them sit next to each other? I probably should not have done that.
I don't know.
No, wait, you had to sit in the middle. Anyways, moving on.
Female Todoroki.
Can you all sing a lyric? Can you all sing parts of the song to Baby Shark?
No.
It's in there. It's in there. Baby shark, doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark, doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark, doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark.
That's it. That's all you
You
get.
do.
Is that Toga I see with her hand up?
Yeah, can you tell me which one is your favorite of the League of Villains, all of you?
Okay.
So the question was, can we tell them our least favorite or
No,
favorite League of Villain?
Well, I think mine might be a little obvious, but Dobby, for obvious reasons. He's done a few things wrong, but I've met worse.
Really?
I think Mr. Compressed, because he's done the least amount of damage.
I like Shigaraki because he almost killed Deku in the mall. What? It's honest. It's truth or dare.
Gotta love it though.
Truth.
All right, well,
So true.
moving on from whatever Bakugo is doing, I see a hat. Yes, that hat. Yes.
This is a good afternoon. I dare you to tell me your favorite tea.
My favorite tea?
What's a tea?
Oh.
I feel like I'm missing something.
Like, really, what's a tea?
Ignore your eye.
It didn't miss you.
When you look in the mirror, what kind of vibes do you get?
I'm ignoring you now, Bakugo. We are not talking, and we are no longer friends.
It was a question.
Wait, you and
Shush.
Bakugo are already friends?
Deku? I'm just going to drink my nice cold water now and ignore all of you because you're not very nice.
Left hand all the way in the back.
Think about it, Todoroki. What tea did your mom make?
I'm sorry, everyone, but the panel is now canceled. I'm leaving. I have a few important things to take care of that are not here.
We need to get out of house arrest.
I no longer care.
Do it for us.
If I stay at home, I no longer have to see the rest of you people.
We'd be at the dorms.
Never mind, let's continue the panel.
Todoroki's dead inside.
All right.
Again, go back. Yeah.
This is for Todoroki.
Oh no.
After the incident with your face,
Oh no.
how is your relationship with your mother going?
Oh no. My mother's doing great. She's in wonderful health. Thank you for asking. I'm trying to visit her often. That is all. Thank you very much.
Hands. Right there.
I dare you to have a competitive rock, paper, scissors tournament.
Ooh. All three?
Yeah,
So, how do you want to do this?
Bakugo, face me.
Alright, I'll win.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I will.
No, you won't.
I'll win.
No, you won't.
And the victor is Todoroki.
I'm hoping that gives me less health rest than the rest of them. All right. Over there.
What is your honest opinion about Frothy? All of you. I want to know each of your honest opinion.
She's a great classmate.
Rephrase.
Yeah.
What is
Alright.
our
honest opinion.
honest opinion of Froppy?
She's a great classmate. She knows how to use her quirk really well. Pretty blunt like me, so we get along.
She's really nice. Like, we've been good friends since we entered UA. So,
Is that the extra with the frog quirk?
oh.
I guess she can swim pretty well. You know.
Izuku sweatshirt.
Me?
Yep.
How are you all doing today?
How are we doing today? Thank you very much for asking. I was doing great before this panel.
Doing just fine. Until this.
And the dare.
Depression.
So as you can tell, normal. Mm.
Do I see a red sleeve? You. Yes.
If you had the chance to, would you slap your father with or without your quirk?
If I had the chance to slap my father with or without my quirk, do I get to do both? Or do I have to choose one?
You can both if you want.
Great, both is the right answer. He is fire resistant though, so I'll figure something out.
Ice.
All right, right up here.
Kachan, how do you feel seeing Deku in your signature orange color?
Bakugo, how do you feel about Deku in orange?
There's a reason it's my signature color.
Don't hide behind me. No, I'm falling off my seat, Deku. I would like to stay seated, please.
Boar hat, all the way in the back.
This is the question for Bakugo. Will you be one of my underlings?
Bakugo, will you accept a position as an underling?
I think the question is, will you be one of my underlings?
Maybe you can work something out.
Right. I'll get back to you on that one. See, pink shirt, purple mask.
Can you all do your best Aerie impression?
Our best who impression?
Airy impression.
Like the little girl.
Deku, you go first. You spend the most time with her.
I really like candy apples.
Mr. Deku is my favorite hero.
I think the villain is.
Kids. Small child. There you go.
Right. Green hoodie, glasses, blonde hair.
Can you just like all say sheesh?
I got this one. I got this one. I got this one. I got this one. Ready? Ready?
I don't think any of us can beat him.
Is this a thing that I don't understand again?
It's a TikTok.
It's
It's a
clock?
TikTok. TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not on that.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Is it a hero app?
No.
Okay, that explains it.
You're way cooler than that, Shoto.
Pink hair, right in front. For all of you, if you could switch quirks with anyone in 1A, who would it be?
If we could switch quirks with anyone in 1A, who would it be? I mean, oh wait, if I took does Aizawa count?
Yeah.
Okay, if I took Aizawa's, I can erase my dad's quirk, so that one.
I was gonna say Aizawa,
No, I took that one.
but I wanted to get out of house arrest.
Fight for
Flattery.
Oh, that
Would
wasn't
that
meant
work?
to be flattery,
No.
but okay. Well,
Not at all.
okay. Well,
Good try.
I'd probably just choose Kirishima, just because I know how his quirk works. Seen it up close. Yeah.
I jingle every time I move, and I don't like it.
Sucks to
No.
suck.
Shake it.
I dislike this very much.
Faster.
All right.
Right there. Yeah.
Okay, one real quick.
Yeah.
If you could pay anyone to, let's say, get rid of your dad, would you do it?
If I could pay anyone to get rid of my dad, would I do it?
Pay them with your debit credit card.
Well, yeah, I do have a credit card with an unlimited balance on it that he used to try and bribe me with. Depends. If it's a villain, depends on how bad of a villain they are, because I don't want to give a villain that much money. But if it's a hero, take more money. And I haven't thought about this at all before. Disclaimer, very important, not a lie. So we're just gonna move on before I say something incriminating. Let's see. You with the horns.
Yeah. Does the word PTSD give you it in itself because it has the letter T in it?
Moving on. Deku, moving on.
Right there.
Yeah.
How's your dad doing, Midoriya?
How's your
dad? Deku, get down there.
I've never met my dad.
Please come back up.
Yeah, he's probably getting that milk.
Alright.
What, a pink shirt in front? Yes.
I know. This is for Todoroki. I know your secret.
You know my secret.
Dobby is your brother.
Oh, I thought that was totally common knowledge now. I haven't been keeping it a secret, at least. I'm not great at those. So, if you have a different secret, please keep your mouth quiet, because I don't know that one. Let's see. Way back there in the orange with the hand. If we could all transform into another animal, what would it be?
Anime.
Oh, anime! I am doing great with my selective hearing today. Well, I've been told I resemble another character a lot, but I haven't seen that.
That isn't an anime.
Oh, it's not? People haven't told me that part. Does that count? No. Oh, if I go into Fairy Tale, there's still magic and there's some fire people. I like fire. Sometimes. Occasionally. Not often. You good there, Deku?
You want to go?
I'm gonna have to go with Jujutsu Kaisen. Shout out to my man Sukuna. That's all I have to say.
I would have to agree with Fairy Tale. Maybe I would have a quirk. Right over here by the wall.
I see, huh? When did you start to think that Deku was All Might's secret love child?
When did I start to think Deku was All Might's secret love child? How much time do we have? Because I have a PowerPoint prepared. I just was told I'm not allowed to bring it. But I brought it. Why not? Okay, so it started the first day of school.
No. We don't have time. We don't have the time. Not today.
Okay. I guess we'll move on. If you want, I'll send you the PowerPoint later if I can find it. I think someone stole it from me because I was using it too much.
There's a gloved hand in the back.
Yeah, me again. I have a question, Todoroki. Is your favorite song Ice Ice Baby?
Don't lie.
Is my favorite song Ice Ice Baby? No, I've never been asked that question before. Let me think about this for a long time. No, it is not. No, absolutely not. Too many people have tried to play it for me. Also, if you've asked a question before, you can start raising your hand again. That brought some people. Okay. There's a hand like way back on the right with I think a shiny thing on your finger. Yeah, you.
Okay, this one's for all of you. Yes, that is not because it would be hard to do. If you're able to do one thing, good, bad, anything, it could be something simple or something overly complex. What would you do?
Arson.
All of you.
If we could do one thing, good, bad, complex, what would we do?
Arson.
Dad's job?
John, aren't you trying to be a hero?
We burn down the city every episode. What are you talking about?
We're not supposed to do that.
We're supposed to keep damage to a minimum.
Property damage to a minimum.
Okay, well, I would like to send my dad to a very, very small island that preferably has nothing on it, and he can live out his very nice, happy life there.
I want to be just like All Might and try to save everyone.
Wow, clearly one of us has no issues. Guess which one?
Or bring my dad back.
Never mind, I take that sentence back.
Right here up front.
Okay, Deku, truth. Do you or do you not love Uraraka?
Deku, do you or do you not love Uraraka?
Not to offend any of the Urakas in here, but they are a very good friend.
You put Uraraka in the friend zone! Oh!
Yes.
Bakugo, how do you feel playing second fiddle to Deku as upcoming first hero?
Bakugo, how do you feel about playing second fiddle to Deku as the upcoming #1 hero?
First of all, in my high school orchestra, I am first violin. Second of all, these are not facts. This is misinformation. I don't know where you got it, but I'm gonna need you to leave it there.
At least we know who gets first in popularity rankings.
So I'm not going to get blown up.
I wouldn't count on it.
Sorry, Deku.
All right, moving on from a safe distance. Oh yeah, I need my water.
No for me all the way.
Alright, I have a question for Todoroki. If you're keeping a secret, can you just, spill the...
If I'm keeping a secret, can I just words I'm not allowed to say? No. Thank you for asking though. All right, person like directly in the middle in the back. No, the first one that pointed to herself. Yes, you. If we were all in Haikyuu, who do we think would be, what was it, the best volleyball player?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
Wait, do you still
Kachan
have,
would just...
do you still have the, do they still have the quirks? Oh, no.
No, of course.
It's me.
No.
It's me.
No.
It's me.
No.
We all know. It's me.
You rely on your quirk too much.
You don't have, you don't.
I think it would be me.
I will second that one.
Well, you're both wrong.
Unfortunate for you. Majority rules.
Next question. A hand in the very back on the wall. Yep.
Bakugo, have you ever tried baking and have you exploded anything?
Have I ever tried baking? Yes, I'm in. Not. Yes, this one time I was at summer camp. Don't ask me, my parents are weird. And we had to make cookies, and one of them wasn't completely messed up. So, yeah.
Okay. Blue Izuku right here.
I have a question. If you were to hear that someone made a world where everyone might start coming up on the Stranger Things video you're playing, what would you say? Because I've done that and I haven't joined.
What?
If Stranger Things, I put Stranger Things in my ear and Demi together to go.
I don't know. I haven't watched that one yet. I'm not allowed to.
What's Stranger Things?
All right. Right here, right next to the wall. Yes, you.
Deku and Bakugo, no quirks, arm wrestle.
Oh my God. Let's go.
Wait, no, I'm in the middle there.
Let's go.
Get back over there.
Come here.
What?
No quirks. No
Not gonna
quirks.
be in the middle of this one.
I mean, Deku.
All right, Deku, Bakugo, arms on the table, wrestle.
Please don't break my arm.
Deku would win with the quirk.
Bakugo's already, well, no, Deku's already hurt enough. And start.
Oh!
That settles that.
Shit, we without a quirk.
All right.
Ow.
Here, come here, I've got some of these.
Let's see. Two hands waving frantically in the back.
Hey, so the question's all for all three of you. Out of everybody that you fought, who gave you the worst challenge?
Out of everyone we fought, who gave us the worst challenge? No one, because I'm awesome. I beat them all. What?
Oh my.
What about the sludge villain?
Oh! What about the sludge villain? We're not going to talk about that, Deku. You'd have gotten killed too if All Might wasn't there. Let's be real.
But weren't you the one who
So
got
you're
kidnapped?
saying All Might is definitely better than you?
No. Maybe middle school me. Maybe. No.
But what about the final?
Yeah, Bakugo.
Next question, please.
All right. Back in the back with the like teal sweatshirt.
Todoroki, do you like tea or not?
Do I like tea or not? I am afraid I am legally not allowed to answer any more questions about tea. I have reached my maximum limit for talking about tea for the next 14 weeks. Thank you very much.
Only ice
What
cream.
about hot water?
There are no loopholes. Thank you.
Next one. Little Izuku right next to Todoroki.
What's your least favorite villain?
Who is our least favorite villain?
Toga kind of gives me the creeps.
Who's my least favorite villain? Bakugo, how about you go first? You got kidnapped.
Oh! No!
And who blamed himself for that? Deku? Yeah, we all have problems.
I came and saved you.
Probably Dabi, because he didn't fight fair and kidnapped me. What?
I don't know. They're all kind of awful. Except for Dabi. He did a couple things right. I don't know. I mean, Shigaraki was pretty awful. He did a lot of things that weren't great. All right.
Right here.
Todoroki, if you could manage to get a hold of the Death Note, whose name would you write in it first, your mom or your dad?
Well, if I got the Death Note, whose name would I write in it first, my mom or my dad? Well, clearly my father. First of all, he's not my dad, he's my father.
But
Second of all,
wanna kill your
definitely my
dad?
father, because my mom went through a lot and she deserves a little grace first. Then we'll talk.
Okay. All the way in the back, blue shirt. Like, sweatshirt.
Yes, the
Like,
person
yes,
who looked
you.
down at himself can
Yes.
easily.
Like blue sweatshirt.
If we had a rematch, Deku, who do we think would win between the two of us? How about we find out later?
Okay.
Yeah, Bakugo can judge because he'll be totally impartial. He hates us equally.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Right there.
Can you guys do a group hug?
No.
Group hug. I haven't been hugged in so long.
No.
Here, I'll help.
It could be for 1 millisecond.
No.
That was nice. All right. Hand sticking up in the very back left. Yes, that one. By the long stick that's up. Yes, you.
I have a question for all of you. Who is your favorite pro hero?
Miracle.
For all of us, who is our favorite pro hero?
I'm sorry. Mirko.
Thank you.
I think this is pretty obvious. All Might.
I think I'll go with Aizawa. He's kind of like the father I never had.
What about Endeavor?
I never had a father. We're just going with that. All right. Your turn? Whose turn? My turn? My turn. I'm great at this. Let's see. Hand going like this currently. Yes, you.
I have a question for Todoroki and Deku. Rose, All Might, and Endeavor.
Alright, this is for us, Deku. Roast All Might and Endeavor.
Well, Endeavor is flaming trash, so.
Oh! You know, I think I already said enough about Endeavor, but I can keep going. Let's see. So I already said he isn't my father anymore. Oh yeah, he doesn't deserve the money he earns. He tries. No, just no. He's destroyed
Now roast All Might.
And All Might is a little careless sometimes. He could do with a lot of teacher courses. Did he go through teacher courses at all?
No. Wait.
Maybe we should bring this up to the school board.
Did he have the Teacher 101 book after the first day?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring this up when we get home. Alright.
Izuku right here.
This for Bakugou. Why did you burn our notebook?
Bakugou, why'd you burn Deku's notebook?
Because I hate you.
But that notebook was on.
What?
Was throwing it in the koi pond a little too much?
Yes, you should have followed it.
And it became fish food.
Alright, let's move on before something bad happens. And by bad, I don't mean what you guys will do. I mean what I will do. Gloved hand right there. I don't care. You guys were talking.
Yeah, you.
Alright. Gloved hand, where you at?
Yes.
Are you aware? How do you feel about your villain counterparts in another universe? How do you feel about them?
There's another universe?
The multiverse of my hero has been opened?
That is terrifying. I don't want to deal with more Bakugous.
Excuse you.
Hey, maybe some of them are nicer.
No, definitely not.
I would think I would be most scared of your villain counterpart.
I have a lot of pent-up anger.
And now I'm scared of this counterpart. Alright.
I see, Kirishima, 2 hands.
Yes.
Yes, broski.
Okay, so Bakugou,
Yes.
I want to know all the nicknames you have for everybody in Class 1A.
How about one nickname for each person in Class 1A?
That's what I meant.
We don't have enough time for that.
That's what I meant.
How about just extras? Because that's what you are.
Alright. I think we can take... No? Yeah, we've done one more question.
Who has the most pressing question in the room right now? I need to see it. I need to see enthusiasm.
Here.
Flash,
Right here.
I need to see it. I'm not seeing it.
Right here. Come on.
Kirishima, my man.
Are we still training tonight, or am I going over to meet us for girls?
Bro, let's go. Like right now, right after this.
Okay, we are sorry, but we do have to close this panel. We only have like 5 minutes left, so...
How many underlings do you have, Bakugou?
All of them. But yeah, we do have to wrap things up. Thank you all so much for coming. We really appreciate it.
We're going to give out...
Real quick, we're just going to introduce ourselves. I'm Kuki from Kuki Koi Cause, and
I'm Koi from Kuki Koi Cause.
I'm not with them. I'm my own person. I'm Pie.cosplays on Instagram and TikTok. If you want to follow me, please follow me. Yeah.
And if you're interested, we do have little business cards up here with our names on them if you want to find us. If you guys are interested, we're going to go try and find a quiet corner and you guys can take some pictures if you want.
Yeah. For all of you guys on TikTok, thank you guys for joining us.
Yeah. Thank you guys all for coming.
Bye, guys.
See you guys.
Can I take a picture with you guys?
Yeah. Guess we're going to end it here.
Great panel, boy.